This incredible quinceañera dress is beyond beautiful, and after an amazing night of fun, she's seen some better days. And although it's covered in stains now, it won't be for long. Bill starts by dousing the stains in Alpha-Pro, our protein spotter. Next, he moves over to the spotting board to work the makeup stains on the interior of the dress. He starts by using Erase and our bone spotter. As you can see, Alpha-Pro is our friend today, and he adds a bit more to ensure that all the stains come out. Bill adds Protective, which is a detergent emulsifier, and Athlon, which is an enzyme-based detergent. Then, the dress goes in for its first wash. As you can see, the dress looks great, but not all of the stains came out. So, we flip the dress inside out and move it over to a bigger washer. That way, it has more space and volume to get clean. Now, it's time to hang this beauty up to dry. We start by hanging up the hooded cover and then the dress. But first, Bill takes some time to straighten out the tulle, which will make the pressing process easier later. Then we hang it up and use multiple baskets to keep the dress off the ground and allow it to air dry properly. As you can see, the stains are completely gone and this dress looks incredible. After drying overnight, it's time to start the difficult process of pressing. Bill first starts by hand pressing the corset ribbon. Then, he moves on to the dress. He begins by pressing the interior of the bodice. This process is very meticulous and a bit complicated due to the sheer size of this gown, but it's nothing Bill can't handle. Next, he moves on to the body of the dress, starting with the tulle. When pressing dresses like this, you always start from the inside. He uses the steam to relax the fibers in the fabric and then vacuums to set the press. As you can see here, this dress is so big that it's a two-man job, so Kurt steps in to help. Bill continues to work his way around the dress until it's finally finished. Now, this dress is finally finished, and these guys are covered head to toe in glitter. But just look at how amazing this dress is, and the hooded cover just adds that extra special flair. Now, it's time to prepare the gown for long-term storage. If you can't tell, this preservation box is quite a bit bigger to accommodate the sheer size of this dress. First, Bill starts by setting the bust form and reinstalling the corset ribbon. Now, this is still a two-man job to handle this dress, but Bill and Kurt start by gently maneuvering it into the right position, making sure everything lays correctly. The tissue paper is added in between each layer to prevent hard wrinkles from forming over time, and then the origami begins. bust form is inserted and the finishing touches added. And now, it's time to see if the lid will fit. And it does perfectly. The final step is the muslin slip, which acts as another layer of protection for the dress. And now, it's finally finished. From a night full of memories to a flawless finish, this quinceañera dress is now clean, pressed, and preserved, ready to be cherished for a lifetime.